Hey everybody, welcome back to the Rooted Coop channel. Today I'm excited to share a new soap that we're going to be calling Country Essence. This batch is all about a luxurious mix of ingredients that your skin will love and a fragrance that is truly unforgettable. So let's dive in. First up, I'm going to be adding goat milk powder into this soap, which is incredibly nourishing for the skin. Goat milk is packed with vitamins like A, C, and D, as well as minerals that promote a smooth and healthy complexion. It is especially great for people with dry or sensitive skin since it's moisturizing without being greasy, and it's super gentle. Plus, the lactic acid in goat milk helps to naturally exfoliate, leaving skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. To complement the goat milk, I will also be adding in some kaolin clay. Kaolin is a soft, natural clay that gently absorbs excess oil and draws out impurities without stripping your skin's natural moisture. It's great for creating a mild and soothing cleanse, which pairs perfectly with the goat milk. Together, they give this soap a wonderful creamy texture and a skin-loving touch that's gentle enough for daily use. We're also testing out adding Himalayan pink sea salt to this batch. Now, this isn't going to be a traditional salt bar where the soap is loaded with salt, but just a smaller amount. By adding some of the salt, we will be bringing in some of the benefits like gentle exfoliation and skin nourishing minerals. Plus, the salt will also help to make the bar a bit harder and create a fantastic lather, so it'll last longer while still being easy to work up into a rich, bubbly, foamy lather. It's all about balancing those skin benefits with a bar that's durable and practical. I'm adding in my lye water solution to my soap oil and the other ingredients. Going to bring everything, just try to stir it together, and then I will be using my stick blender to get this soap started. This soap is going to have a truly special fragrance. The fragrance that we're using is inspired by the Baccarat Rouge 540. It opens with this dazzling blend of jasmine and saffron that's floral yet sophisticated, then develops into a rich note of amber and cedarwood. Together, they create a warm, unforgettable aura that feels like a hug for the senses. If you're wondering about the scent profile, I'd say it's very much a unisex fragrance, bold and warm, but also soft enough that it suits anyone who appreciates a refined, elegant scent. Just going to be bringing this to a light trace, and then I'm going to be splitting off some of the soap to have some different colors for our batch. For this batch, I am going to go with a classical white base, and then I will be topping it with hints of blue, green, and black for a look that's both simple and striking. The color adds a nice contrast without taking away from that clean and elegant feel of the soap. Now that I've poured part of the soap batter into my mold here, I will be splitting the rest of my batch to get the other colors that will be topping this batch. I'm going to be speeding up the next part of this footage to double the speed just to help this part go a little bit faster. I'm using Glitter Chimp mica powder, and I have got my green and my blue, and then I will be adding some charcoal powder to the rest of the soap batter that's left so we can have the colors that we're going for. I'm going to use my spatula and just stir those in, and then I'll use the stick blender to make sure it's all blended in. This soap is designed to give you a little everyday luxury that's still down to earth, with goat milk for the gentle hydration, kaolin clay for a soft cleanse, and the Himalayan pink salt for a satisfying lather. This bar truly has it all. Not only does it look beautiful, but it also offers a rich and comforting fragrance that can suit any occasion, whether it's a fresh start in the morning or relaxing wind down at night. I love being able to create wonderful soap products for all of you to enjoy. And now that we have all of our soap batter blended, I have the green and the blue and the black all ready to go. What I'm going to do is just pour this alternating across the top of our white base that we already have in our mold. It shouldn't break through because it has sit for a few minutes while I blended all this together, but I'm just using my spatula to help break the fall just in case. And this soap batter is starting to thicken up just a little bit, but it's still pouring in very beautifully. I really love the contrast of the three colors here. I'll finish pouring in the green. I'm just going to finish emptying out all of my containers to get all of this wonderful soap into the mold. And I'm just going to use a chopstick here just to do a little bit of a swirl on the top portion of this. Being careful not to go too deep, to blend it too much into the white part of the bar. And here's what it looks like once we've got it all in there. And here is what they look like. I love the way the swirl pattern turned out. I'm going to go and show some of the footage of the cut. I know some of y'all enjoy watching the cut part. And this unmolded very easily from the mold here. Came out very clean. So the salt definitely helped with hardening up the bar. So I think that this may be something that I start doing because it just seems to make the bar that much more longer lasting. So you get a bar that's going to last a long time. And I know that you can use sodium lactate for that, but I was wanting to try to use the salt because I feel like there would be a little bit more actual benefit to the skin from that, rather than just adding in the sodium lactate. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you're as excited about Country Essence as I am. If you're interested in trying this soap, be sure to check out rootedcoop.com. Or if you're wanting to learn more about our process, check out the links in the description. As always, stay clean, stay creative, and stay rooted. See you next time. Bye.